Hi, welcome to Copilot Snacks, and I am your host, Michael Giannotti. And today we're going to take a look at using Microsoft Whiteboard in tandem with Copilot for Microsoft 365. So, if you're familiar with Whiteboard, you know it's a great tool if you're doing brainstorming, design sessions, etc., using during meetings. And there's a range of features. We got pointers, we got hands, we have inking, we have notes or note grids, which we're going to actually leverage today, reactions, comments, text, shapes. We can add things like loop components, videos, links, documents, images, templates, and we have Copilot. And right off the bat, it allows us with a blank slate to suggest ideas and content or to visualize. We're not going to do visualize today. We're going to stay to suggest ideas and content. And what we're going to be looking to do is we have a project we're getting ready to kick off in our fictitious company of Contoso where we want to roll out Power BI to the entire organization. So for our meeting, we want to start a brainstorming session. So just as simply as coming in and adding our prompt, brainstorm how to roll out Microsoft Power BI to the entire organization, we can go ahead and select that. It says creating a draft in progress. Um, and there we go. Boom. It's gone ahead. It's created a list here of bullet items that you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and say insert. It's going to drop all those in here. You know, I have then further options to categorize. You can see also now that I've added content on the board, I have summarization, categorization, etc. So as we continue to roll out and do additional activities, we have a lot that we can do with Copilot here. So that's one method. But let's say I'm going to go ahead and let's delete that. Let's pull back up our suggest. Let's say we already have a document out and we wanted to take this lengthy document. This is a Contoso sample doc, so these aren't real people. But you can see it's a 34-page document, very long adoption plan. We need to condense that down for our meeting and put the main points. And for speed's sake, I went ahead and I already summarized this document. I selected that. And so I have some main points. I'm going to click copy. So I can take any given document that we want to discuss and then again start to iterate and do things in. And then I can come right on back with that summarization that we did with Copilot in Word and paste our summarization and watch the magic that happens. So very similar to what we just did. Instead of doing a free form prompt, we actually took a summarization and dropped that in as well. And again, it's going to, based upon that, go in and look to create our little grid. And there we go. So here we have, based upon our summarization, there it is. Insert, boom, we have those. And again, we could categorize, do suggestions, visualizations, and all that's now still available. So the idea is when you're brainstorming and you're using Whiteboard to kick off the meeting with your brainstorm, either free flow or summarize existing content, drop it in, and have it done for you without having to think it all through. Hope you found this little tip useful. Start using Whiteboard with Copilot. I'd love to hear your ideas and see your posts around what you're doing. With that, this is Mike Giannotti here for Copilot Snacks, bidding you have a great day. Take care, and as always, ciao.